Ready to dive into the world of online sports betting? Today I'm going to show you how to place a bet on 1xBet, one of the most popular online betting platforms. Before you can start betting, you'll need to create your own 1xBet account. To do this, head over to the website or app and click on the register button. You can choose from several registration methods, such as a full registration or quick one. Make sure to fill in your personal information accurately. Now that your account is set up, it's time to make your first deposit. Click on the menu button and then select Deposit. You can also access this by clicking the settings icon and choosing Make a Deposit. Here you'll see a list of all available payment methods. 1xBet offers a wide range of options, including bank cards, e-wallets, and mobile money. Simply select your payment method, enter the amount you wish to deposit, your phone number, and your email address. Once you confirm, complete the transaction, and your funds will be available in your 1xBet account. With your account funded, you're ready to place your first bet. On the homepage, browse through the list of sports. 1xBet offers betting options on a wide variety of sports. Simply click on the match to view the available betting options. Once you're on the match page, you'll see various betting markets and odds. Click any of these options to bet. Next, enter the amount of money you want to stake on this bet. The potential return is calculated by multiplying your stake by the odds. If you're satisfied with your selection, click on the Bet button, which is highlighted in green, to place your bet. 1xBet is a fantastic platform for both beginners and experienced bettors. With its user-friendly interface, wide range of sports, and generous bonuses, it's easy to see why it's so popular. Plus, with features like live betting and cash-out options, you can stay in control and enjoy the excitement of betting in real time. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!